This is my review of Cook Once, Eat All Week. So this book is based on the idea that you do one day of prep cooking, probably over the weekend, and then you have food for all week. So here's her table of contents. Every week is based on 3 staple items, and she puts a picture of each staple item per week. Now, based on your family size, she explains in the introduction how to customize that to make it fit your family. So right here, she goes through family size and how you would work it to make it fit your family. She also talks a lot about the variety, and this is true. So I was worried when I bought this that if I'm using the same 3 ingredients all week, I'm going to be eating the same type of food, and that's not the case. So here's an example. These 3 ingredients will make a wedding soup, a Texas beef chili, and Asian beef lettuce wraps. So while all of those meals contain the same ingredients, they give you a ton of variety. She also goes through other basics like food storage, heating, reheating, and then stocking your kitchen. But let's get to week 1. So in week 1, she's going to show you everything that you need, and it talks through the weekly meals and bonus dinners. So that's just an overview. And here we are. So shredded chicken, broccoli, and rice. That's your base for week 1. This is everything you're going to buy at the grocery store. Now she tells you also how to make it low carb, paleo, grain-free, or dairy-free. So she puts lots of substitutions in there. And then she's going to tell you your prep day. So you will do more cooking, obviously, on the prep day. It's cook once and eat all week. She tells you exactly how to cook it and in what order and approximately how long it will take. This is all still the prep day. And then you get to your recipes. So here you have a barbecue chicken and rice casserole. We've eaten this and it's really good. I've done this week before, so we really liked the white chicken chili. And then once you prepped all your ingredients, there's your top 3 meals. Then you get into week 2. So she follows that format for 26 weeks. And it really is a great idea. Anything that makes life a little bit easier for busy parents trying to feed their families is a win in my book. So this is kind of more of a unique approach, and I like it. I recommend it.